Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Alia Nurhusna binti Zani and my metric number 272680. In this video, my group members and I would like to present our summary of preliminary investigation report which are required us to analyze and design a system that can help to solve our client problems. Before we jump into designing a system, let me quickly review a bit about the background of business that our group has chosen. After a few days of discussion, our groups together agreed to choose a restaurant named Tom Yum Seafood One Mas to be our project clients. This sole property type of business is located at Chanlun, Kedah, which also 6 to 7 kilometers from University Utara Malaysia, UUM. Based on interview that we did with the owner, Miss Wan Mas binti Sharudin, she said that her business has been operated since 20 years ago by providing the various menu of Thai cuisine and food. As for now, that's all from me. I will pass to Nur Farahani to proceed the presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Farahani binti Mahmud, metric number 273337. As for sister request part, our client, Tom Yum Seafood One Mas Restaurant, has requested for a new technology system that will benefit their growth and enable business processes to be more effective and also efficient. Based on our interview with the owner, the restaurant is currently using the manual system, which we know that it is lack in many aspects, besides being very time consumed and also inefficient. The method of recording their daily transaction was by recording in a book, and their ordering process was manually jotted down and passed to the kitchen. This method somehow have caused some problem to the restaurant, which give impact to the operation. Hence, the owner requested for a system that can help them with the sales recording, inventories, and also that can prevent any problem from occur. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Siti Nur Izzati binti Muhammad Rashidi. My metric number is 273333. I will continue with my part, which is project scope and project constraint. Firstly is about project scope. This project scope to create the new system that can solve the problem of this Tom Yum Seafood One Mas restaurant. The system that we approach is a POS system, which is point of sale system. This system is one of the system that use computerized network operated by a main computer. This system can help this company in completed the sales transaction and easier to collect the order from the customer using this POS system. This system also will make this restaurant run smoothly and more organized in collecting the order from customer, redirect to the kitchen and the cashier. This POS system can help this restaurant to complete the sales transaction and also can generate the sales report. So this restaurant can know the performance of this restaurant. That's all. Then I will continue about the project constraint. There are some constraints that Tom Yum Seafood One Mas faces in developing the point of sale POS system to organize the new system in this restaurant. Firstly, the point of sale system is based on internet. If there is no access internet connection, there will be a problem to this restaurant. The system will cannot key in all the information smoothly and will cause the error in keying all the data and the information. Next, The system might use the high cost in order to implement the POS system. This software upgrade can be expensive and have to pay ongoing costs in order to run the system. This project will disrupt the budget of this restaurant so that the owner have to train the staff and learn how to use and manage the new system properly. Lastly, the Tom Yum seafood one mas will having a problem because lack of skilled employee to use and manage the new system. In order to ensure the efficiency and effectiveness in using the new system, all the workers must be aware and familiar with the new system. That's all for me. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Thank you for the last presenters. Alright, so today I'm going to talk about feasibility analysis. There are 4 analyses that we find out, which is operational feasibilities, technical feasibilities, economic feasibilities, and also schedule feasibilities. Right, before that, my name is Muhammad Shafiq Rahmat Taufik and my metric number is 273691. Alright, so firstly, operational feasibilities. Alright, the implementation of the proposed system, which is point of sale system, will be highly recommended for the restaurant itself, which is Tom Yum Seafood One Mas Restaurant, as most of restaurants today had used the system for a long time, such as Nasimat Restaurant. Therefore, it will be comfortable to be used to stay on the track with the flow of the modernization era, so One Mas can keep up with the modernization era. Alright, by implementing the system, the restaurant can also increase the staff or maintain the staff in order to learn or to hire new staff with highly educated with IT or at least have a basic knowledge on the system itself. Due to the convenience of the using the proposed system, the restaurant can easily take the order of the customers and order will go straight to the kitchen. Therefore, it will be operate successfully if we use the system for the shop itself. Especially during this current situation, which is COVID-19, we need to implement the contactless ordering system. So therefore, this system is highly suitable for any restaurant to use it, as we can cut the spread of COVID-19. The proposed system become more convenient if the customers tell the exact amount what they want. So therefore, they just need to key in the orders and it will go straight to the kitchen. So it will be easy way for the customers and for the waiters itself. Alright, next for the technical feasibility. Alright, for Tom Yum Seafood One Mas Berhad, they does not have any technical expertise, but they can get someone from such as Goodware software to help them to in technical advices and also to develop the system by hiring them. It will not cost a lot of money, and the prototype of the system will be built by the chosen developer and also with the involvement of the One Mas management team itself. Therefore, it will be comfortable for both of them, what they want and what they will get. So therefore, they need to hire someone such as from Good Cost Software. Alright, next is economic feasibility. There are few expenses that are hard to measure in this situation, which can be considered as an intangible asset, which sometimes the cost may not be identified. Therefore, it is because the system does not have any specific or high specification hardware. Therefore, they just need some tablets or some phones, just use it and make it the system go well and comfortable for the staff itself. And lastly, for the schedule feasibility, the method of determining the extent of the possible times and range and the dates of completion for all main projects. This feasibility is need to know how long to complete the framework with the attached deadline, so that it will be rational to complete the project within the given time frame. So therefore, the system can straight to be used after the programmers had done the job, and the only time will take a long time is when the staff want to learn how to manage the system. So I would like to pass to my friend. Thank you.
Hi, Alia is back, but now I will be presenting the benefit or advantages of point of sales aka POS system. First benefit is that it can improve the management of inventory. Basically, By implementing this system, the owner are able to control and track all the transactions related to their inventories. For example, purchase and sales of inventory. Secondly, it can provide a better service. As we know, when it comes to businesses, the customer service must be excellent in order for business to gain their customer loyalty and trust. With this system, improvement in business operation can be made. Next, one of the reasons why we design and recommend this system to our clients because the owner of that restaurant had mentioned during the interview that one of their main problem or issue is error in recording process, such as mistake in calculating of daily profit or expenses. Therefore, with various features of this system, it can automatically reduce the probability of errors. Last but not least, of course, it can save time. With these various features of system, the business operation will be much more efficient and organized. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter, Muhammad Alif Aidil. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Alif Aidil bin Abdul Shukur and my number metric is 273838 and I will be presenting for my group's project schedule. We have decided to present our schedule in two kind of chart, which as you can see right now is the first chart, which is the Gantt chart, and the second one is PERT chart. The difference between Gantt chart and the PERT chart is only the way of the presentation, but both of the chart are using the same data and information. I will be presenting my schedule based on the second chart, which is the PERT chart. First of all, we have 7 steps altogether in implementing this system, which we call it as post system. We go to the first step, which is understand the problems and opportunity, which takes around 4 days starting from 29th of March until 1st of April. The second step is define the project scope and constraint, which takes around 4 days starting from the 2nd of April until the 5th of April. The next step is to perform fact finding of this project. In this step, we have provided two kinds of procedures, which are first, observe operations, starting from 6 April until 10 April. And we also have to conduct an interview session between our crew members and the owner of the restaurant, which we used to have it within 1 day only, which is on 11th of April. Step 4 will be the analyze feasibility, cost, benefit and schedule, which takes around 6 days starting from 12th April until 17th of April. Next step will be evaluate feasibility. In order to implement this step, our group has to separate 4 kinds of procedure, which are first the operational procedure, which takes around 3 days starting from 18th of April until 20 April. We proceed to the next procedure, which is technical, from 21st of April until 23rd of April. The third procedure will be the economy, which takes around 4 days, and the last one is schedule, which takes around 3 days starting from 28 April until 30 April. The last step will be the presentation of the result and recommendation to the management, and we choose the date of 1 May 2021 to present our result of this project. That's all for our group's project schedule. For the recommendation, I will pass to my friend Farahani. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, after all the feasibility had been evaluated, we assure that by implementing this point of sale system to Tom Yum Seafood One Mas restaurant, the restaurant can have a proper system to handle all the operation and transaction. This POS system is highly recommended for use, and as a system analyst, we strongly encourage the restaurant to install this system. It facilitates a variety of tasks, operation, and also transaction for the restaurant, as well as existing employees in strengthen their skills on computerized system that are now widely used by the people all around the world. In addition, a proper system is important to avoid any misappropriation that happen during the operation. This POS system can help the restaurant in improving the management of inventory and transaction which was poorly managed before this and have caused a lot of problem to the restaurant day by day. Any error or inaccurate in the restaurant operation can be lessened and will consume less time for bookkeeping processes. Therefore, we as a system analyst consultant would highly recommend Tom Yum Seafood One Mas restaurant to apply this effective POS system and overcome the inefficiency in managing the restaurant. That's all from our group. Thank you.